If you'll be installing with a latch system, remove them from their storage compartments first. Then set the base rear-facing on a rear vehicle seat without an active airbag. Use the recline foot to level the base until the bubble is fully inside the green zone. Squeeze the handle on the LockStrong arm and lift it to open. Connect each hook to the lower anchors in your vehicle until they click. Press down on the base while pulling the strap to remove all slack. Lay the excess strap on the base and push the LockStrong arm down until it clicks into place. Make sure the base doesn't move more than 1 inch side to side or front to back. If you're using the seatbelt, store the latch strap back in its compartment. Squeeze the handle on the LockStrong arm and lift it to open. Thread the lap and shoulder belt through the rear-facing belt path and buckle it. Push the LockStrong arm down until it clicks securely into place. The base should not move more than 1 inch when pulled at the belt path. Set the carrier into the base until it clicks, then pull up to make sure it's secure. Always read your car seat and vehicle manuals for the most accurate instructions, or consult a certified child passenger safety technician if you need help.